In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Instagram in Google Chrome. Let's get you signed in quickly and safely. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the address bar at the top, type instagram.com and press enter. You should land on Instagram's main login page. Always double check that the address is correct to avoid lookalike sites, and try to navigate directly rather than through random links. On the login screen, you'll see two boxes and a login button. In the first box, enter the username, phone number, or email connected to your Instagram account. In the second box, carefully type your password. Take a moment to make sure everything is correct. Small typos are the most common reason logins fail. If you originally created your account using Facebook, you can click the Login with Facebook button instead. That option will open a quick Facebook confirmation and bring you right back to Instagram once it verifies your details. When you're ready, click Login. If your information is correct, you'll be taken into your account. Right after logging in, Instagram may ask whether you want to save your login info on this browser. If this is your personal computer and you want faster access next time, choose Save Info. That way, Instagram can keep you signed in and reduce the number of times you have to re-enter your details. If you're on a shared or public device, choose Not Now to keep your account secure. Next, Google Chrome might pop up a prompt asking to save your password to your Google account. Clicking Save allows Chrome to autofill your username and password the next time you visit, and if you use Chrome Sync, it can be available across your other devices where you're signed in. If you prefer not to store it, select Never for this site. You can always manage or remove saved passwords later in Chrome settings. That's it. You're logged in and ready to scroll. You should land on your home feed where you can browse posts, check stories, and open messages. A few quick tips to keep things smooth and secure. Only save login info on devices you trust. Keep your browser up to date for the best performance, and be mindful of staying signed in on computers other people use. If you need extra privacy on a temporary device, consider using an incognito window so your session clears when you close it. To recap, go to instagram.com in Chrome, enter your username or email along with your password, or use the Facebook option if that's how you signed up. Click Login. Decide whether Instagram should save your login info, and then choose whether Chrome should remember your password. You're all set. Enjoy your time on Instagram.